27. We are doing a bit of the same as yesterday. Taking a lot of the logs that are small and chipping those and cutting wood out of the ones that are big enough. So this is kind of what we've been working on today. It's really pretty, really nice outside today. It's a little windy. We've got a few different stacks of logs here, separating the pines from the hardwoods. You can see the pine stack is pretty big. We've already taken one load of hardwoods off, so hopefully we can process through these and get some lumber out of it. It's working out pretty well so far. Stack's pretty big though. I feel like it just keeps getting bigger and bigger. We've gotten most of the logs from the top of the road sorted. I've never seen quite so much dust before. All this. Literally a giant dust cloud. It's so dry up here. I guess it's a good thing and a bad thing. So here we are in the dust. More logs to go in the pine stack. Hardwood stack is considerably smaller. Quite a bit of pines, as you can see. It's dusty work today. We've got quite a few slabs cut. Hopefully can make lumber out of some of this. It's pretty exciting stuff. Trees from the property becoming something else. Something that we can use. Maybe build our barn or build something out of it. Recycle all of this and make it useful. We'll see. Keep you updated on the progress as I keep going through the day. End of the day progress report. We have a giant load of hardwood logs loaded on the dump truck. See if you can see this thing. It's pretty crazy. Here they are, loaded and getting strapped down and covered and all that good stuff. We've got this stack of hardwood still to go, and this giant stack of pine. So it's a little daunting, but I think we can get it. We made a lot of progress. Everything is cleared off. You can see these stacks have been cleared. All this has been cleared up. We'll figure out what to do with that. And then we've packed up the sawmill and got everything else ready to be transported. So here we are, end of the day. It's a little cloudy today, but not so bad. It didn't rain, wasn't too hot, wasn't too cold. A little windy, but not too bad. So we will catch you next week.